this screencast, I will show you a step-by-step process you can follow to insert a YouTube video into your presentation using PowerPoint for Windows. This process is quite different from inserting regular video files from your computer, since in this case, we will insert the link to a YouTube video as a specialized media object in your presentation. The first step in inserting a YouTube video to your PowerPoint presentation is to copy the video's URL. After you open the YouTube video that you want to insert into your presentation, select the URL, then copy it using the Ctrl+C shortcut on your computer. To insert this URL into your presentation, you will first need to edit it by following these steps. First, you should paste the copied URL using the Ctrl+V shortcut on your keyboard into a word processor or a text editor. This is the URL that will be used. However, we cannot use it as it is, but we need to make some modifications to it. Find the word watch that is followed by a question mark in the URL and delete these characters. Then find the equal sign and replace it with a /. This edited URL will allow you to embed a video in a player with a start button. This means that when you arrive at the slide, you will have to click the play button to start the video. However, if you want the video to begin to play automatically when you arrive at the slide, you will need to add the following at the end of the URL: &autoplay = 1. With this URL, your video will automatically play when you reach the slide. For the next part, please copy the link you've just modified. The next part of the process is to activate the Developer tab. By default, the Developer tab is hidden in PowerPoint. To show it, go to File, then select Options. From the PowerPoint options, select Customize Ribbon. Then find the Developer tab in the right column and click on the small box next to it, making sure that the check mark is on. Then click OK. Once activated, you should now see the Developer tab on your ribbon. We will now insert a Shockwave Flash object. Click on the Tools icon here, and a More Controls window will open. Scroll down and select Shockwave Flash Object, then click OK. You should notice that your cursor will change to a plus sign. To insert the Flash object, left-click, hold, and drag your cursor to the size of the video you want to display. Release it, and you will have a rectangle with a large X in the middle. This is your Flash object. You can move it by clicking and dragging it to the location where you want it to be. The last step is to add your copied YouTube link. Right-click on your Flash object rectangle, select Property Sheet, and a Properties window will appear. Paste your edited YouTube link in the box to the right of Movie. You will still see the white rectangle. However, when you preview your slide in full screen mode, your video should be visible, and if the link was modified correctly, the video will begin playing automatically. This is an important step if you're creating a self-running presentation that includes video clips, since you will not be able to manually click the play button while your presentation is running on its own. One final important note. Make sure that the computer you are using for your presentation is connected to the internet. Since the video being displayed is coming from the YouTube website, it will not play if your computer is offline.